Hello everyone, welcome to Papercraft Mix. It's me, Brigitta, and today is my first project video with the products that I received from Beebeecraft. For their YouTube program, please take a look at the description box below, where I sent you the link if you would like to join on their YouTube program as well, with all the details. In my unpacking video unboxing, I showed you what products I received from them. I love them products. They have a wide range that you can choose from for paper crafting, jewelry making, diamond painting, etc, etc. One of the dies that came in my box that I was gifted was this beautiful background die set, and today I want to focus on this one. I already showed it in the unboxing that it fits perfectly on an ATC card, and that's what we are going to make today together here on your video. And I am using this die set with all the summer icons, and of course I will put links in the description box below to all the products that I use. And here you get several really small sized summer things like beach houses, beach cabanas, beautiful palm tree, waves, no, flags, a desk chair, a sign says that goes to the beach, sand castle. Well, you can see it, I showed it in the unboxing, a lot of summer icons. So let's start making one together. For the papers I am going to use this paper patch from Deco Time. Why am I choosing this? Because it has beautiful colors, but it switches. So on one page you have 3 tones of the same color. So let's start. So let's start by die cutting out our base card of the ATC with the Globleland design die. I have to cut my black paper a little bit smaller because I am using my small little die cutting machine, my heavy doodle. So I have adjusted the paper to the small plates. This black cardstock is really sturdy, so it's a sturdy base for our ATC. Now we are going to use one of the 3 background dies that come in the set that I received from Beebeecraft. I love this one. It looks a little bit like sun rays, I think, and that's how we are going to use it. I am cutting it out of white cardstock. We are not going to use the white rays. I am popping them out and saving them for another day, but we are only using the white frame, and look how good it stands against the black background. You will see it in a minute. So we will glue it on later on the black background. Now we need the beautiful sun rays, and I'm using the pink paper stack for it, as I showed you in my start of this video. Here I am debating if I'm doing the lighter one or the darker one, and I do think I'm going for the mid-toned one. And I'm placing my die cuts just on the paper, so the 2 colors are shown on the die cut. So the darker pink is on the lower part of the die and the lighter pink on the higher part, and I do think it looks a little bit like a sunset. And when we are going to glue down other die cuts on our ATC card, you will see why I am choosing this. Here I am popping everything out of my die, just using my fingers this time. And from this we are only going to use the rays, so I am leaving the frame in, I see. And now we are going to glue down all the little sun rays into our die cut. So it's an inlay, we are doing an inlay. But first we have to glue the white part to the black cardstock. That already gives a nice pop. But when we put the pink rays in, it looks really beautiful. And we have a pink sky, I think. I'm curious what you think about it. I'm using my liquid glue, as always, that I buy here locally at our Action store. Love it, it's just like a tacky glue. And I always put it in the small bottles with the fine tips. It does come in bigger bottles, they don't have it in fine tip bottles. So I pour them over, and here I'm making the inlay of my sun rays. With my pokey tool I put them in place. One side is a pokey tool and the other one has a sticky point, so you can Pick up small little die cuts for easy placement. So this takes a little bit of time. The easiest, I think, with an inlay design is to put the glue on the base and then put the die cut on top, not the other way around. So I'm not gluing the die cuts, I'm gluing the base and then put the die cut on top. With an inlay, I think that's much easier, and you don't get as sticky fingers if you do it like the other way. Oh yeah. This takes a little bit of time, as you can see. And I did fast forward my video. I put it on 250%. There was a little piece of extra paper that came out when I popped it out of the die, so I needed to cut that off. Now we're always done, and now you can really see the stripe in the middle, so the dark pink and the lighter pink on top. I really like how that looks, because you will see why in a minute. So the base of the card is done. Nice pop of color on the black. And now we are going to put a design on it. We are using the die with all the summer die cuts. I showed it to you. And I already cut them out of the same black sturdy cardstock as I die cut out the base of the ATC card. I did that off camera because it's really boring to see someone die cut a lot of items. And now we are going to look for a nice design on our card. I'm just playing a little bit with it, how I want it. It always takes a lot of time. For the sake of the video, I didn't think too long about it. First I wanted to use the two umbrellas or sun parasols, but then I thought, no, this is not it. So I am choosing the cute little beach house and one of the umbrellas. Maybe I'm using the sand pail, maybe I'm not sure. That's the floaty. I love floaties in summer, so cute. And I really wanted to add the cute little crab. It's one of my favorite dies from that set. A little banner on top of the beach house, so it's recognizable for the little children. It's a beach ball. The dark circle is a beach ball, but I'm not sure if it's going to be on my ATC card in the end. Now I'm going to cut out the small sentiment. It says fun. It's an older die set from AliExpress. Came with a lot of small words and also the word fun, because it's a beach card with fun, so my series will be called Beach Fun. This is the first card that we are making together, but I am making a total of 4 cards, as I always do for an ATC card series. I'm first placing my sentiments on the card, and then I'm going to glue down all the other items. You can see below in the video, you can see the coupon code MIX10. With this coupon code you get 10% off your whole order when you order at the Beebeecraft website, so please go follow my links in the description box below. I popped the house up on 3D tape for a little bit of extra dimension. All my die cuts are in black, as you can see. I wanted to make some kind of silhouette card against the beautiful background. I really wanted to show that, and you can make it interesting then by gluing down all the things with different depths. So some things I glue flat on the card, as you can see. Other things I popped up on dimensional tape. I thought it was so cute to put the umbrella in the hands of the crab. He's walking towards his floaty. He will go for a swim. The beach ball is hidden behind the cabin. On top of the house I'm going to put the flag. I'm fiddling a bit here with it because, yeah, when you film it on camera you don't sit really short to your workspace. I hope you know what I mean. So it's a little bit harder to see everything in the right scale than when you just work for your own and not video it. I am using the banner again. I love that banner, it's so cute. It's instant fun, I think. And with this I finish the cards. So I'm back, and let us take a look at the finished ATC cards. This is the one that we did on camera. I really liked to use this paper, as I already told you, because of the color differentiation. A little bit looks like a sunset, I think. And what I really wanted to do with the dies is make silhouette cards, because I wanted the background to stand out still, and also let the dice be visible. So I thought it was really cute to make a little bit of a silhouette shadow card. And some of the items, you did see this in my video, I did pop up on tape, and other ones I just glued down. I love this little crab, so cute. He's holding the umbrella. The word fun was from my stash, a really old die set. And I finished all of the ATC cards, of course, with the information. I used my Carlijn design stamp for that. And I called my series Beach Fun and put on all the information. So this is the first one that we made together. Of course, I also wanted to make a yellow one. I used a palm tree here, and the beach sign, as you can see, is hard to see in all black. I love how the color pops behind the black. Of course, the yellow is really beautiful because it's a lot of contrast. The second one, the third one, I must say, I made in orange. And all the papers have the color differentiation, as you can see. And yeah, really cute. And the last one is a blue one, and now I made a colorful rainbow of ATC cards. Here's a surfboard that I popped up, so cute. A deck chair, the same word fun as sun. Adorable. So now, this is my ATC made with the dies from Beebeecraft again. This die set, and I will link it below with all the summer icons and the background set. And we only used this small one in this video, so I have a whole lot left that I can also show you in the future. So go check out Beebeecraft, the links will be here below. I'm curious what you think of my ATC cards, and I hope you will be back for my next video. And I will also do 1 or 2 videos also for the other dies and other hot foil plates and stamps that I received from Beebeecraft. So I want to thank you for watching. Bye for now.